how to download Mondly app on your mobile phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download Mondly app on your mobile phone. So the first step is to open up your device and then go to your Play Store. Alright, so once you're at your Play Store, the next thing that you have to do is to head over to the top part of the screen where you can see a search box, and then in the search box type out the name of the app, which is Mondly. All right, just go ahead and type it out. Then after typing it out, you can see that the application would be displayed, as well as similar application to the Mondly app, and then the features that the Mondly app has for you. So as you can see, that the next thing that you should do is to click on install, and then you wait for it to be downloaded into your mobile phone. All right. After downloading the app, you can see that the download option or the install option has been changed to open. So the next thing they have to do is just to click on the open button, and then the app would open up, and then you can now go ahead and create your account. So this is basically how to go about it. This is how you can download the Mondly app on your mobile device. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.